I'm Summer.
I'm Astrid.
We are Leaf Bank coordinators here at Carolina Auto Auction. Congratulations to Randy and Paul, our winners for last week's Turkey Bowl. Be here early and you could have a chance to bowl and win $1,000 during this week's Turkey Bowl.
Also, mark your calendar for next week, November 20th. We will be having our Turkey 10K with a jackpot of $10,000.
Running in S lane, we have Richard K, and in our SP lane, we have South Hall.
In the Lease Bank lanes this week, we will have Exeter, Defy Solutions, American Credit, Avis, UACC, Credit Acceptance, PAR, First Investors, Enterprise, Wheels, ARI, Gateway One, and much more.
Get here early for turkey bowling.
Stay late for the late bird.
And we'll see you in the lanes.